What if a PDF could build its own PowerPoint presentation? Not just copy the text but create the slides, arrange the content into columns, maintain spacing, repair irregular PDF data, and even add animations automatically. In this video, I'll show you how I used PowerPoint VBA to turn semi-structured PDF content into a ready-to-present slide deck. And during development, we encountered an interesting problem hidden inside the PDF data itself. Solving that problem made the automation much more intelligent. If you have seen my PDF to Excel automation work before, today we are taking that idea in a completely new direction, PDF to PowerPoint automatically. PowerPoint automated with VBA. In this project, we are going to automate the journey from PDF content to a formatted and animated PowerPoint presentation using VBA. The objective is not simply PDF conversion. We want VBA to understand the structure and build the presentation for us. The manual problem. Imagine doing this manually for every lesson. Copy the text, create text boxes, apply formatting, arrange the content into columns, create additional slides, and finally add animations. The individual steps are simple, but repeating them again and again makes the process inefficient. The automation goal. So I defined the complete workflow as an automation problem. Extract the PDF text, repair irregularities, identify logical records, generate PowerPoint objects, format them consistently, and finally animate them. Step 1. Read PDF text. We begin with the source PDF. I select the required content and copy it to the Windows clipboard. PowerPoint VBA then reads that clipboard content, so there is no need to retype the data manually. Step 2. Build logical records. Our source data follows a logical structure. Each vocabulary record contains an English expression, its Arabic equivalent, and its transliteration. VBA combines these components so that one vocabulary record becomes one PowerPoint object. The hidden PDF problem. But here we discovered an interesting problem. What appeared visually as one transliteration in the PDF could arrive through the clipboard as two physical lines. For example, */ appeared on one line, while */ appeared on the next. That shifted every record that followed. Step 3. Repair wrapped data. Instead of manually correcting the source, we made the automation handle it. If VBA detects that a transliteration line ends with a /, it joins the following physical line before constructing the logical records. The irregular PDF input is therefore repaired before PowerPoint generation begins. Step 4. Generate PowerPoint. Once the data is clean, VBA starts building the presentation. It creates the text objects, distributes them into 3 columns, maintains consistent typography and spacing, and generates additional slides as required. Step 5. Add animation. Automation does not stop with creating the slides. Each complete vocabulary block becomes an independent PowerPoint object, and VBA assigns a fly-in animation with an on-click trigger. The resulting presentation is immediately usable for teaching. 27 items displayed in 3 slides. In this example, one automation run processed 27 lesson items and generated 3 PowerPoint slides. The content was structured, formatted, distributed across columns, and animated automatically. Why this matters beyond PowerPoint? The important idea here goes beyond PowerPoint. Real-world automation often begins with imperfect or semi-structured input. We inspect it, validate it, repair exceptions, and transform it into predictable output. The same engineering principle can be applied to many automation problems. PDF to Excel compared to PDF to PowerPoint. On this channel, I have previously demonstrated PDF to Excel automation using VBA. This project extends that concept. Instead of sending PDF information into Excel, we are using VBA to transform it into a complete PowerPoint presentation. Different destination, same automation mindset. What we built. So our final workflow has 5 major capabilities: extract the source content, repair irregular PDF data, paginate the records, format the presentation, and animate the generated objects. What started as repetitive manual work has become a reusable VBA automation process. Next step. If you work with VBA, SAP automation, Excel automation, or repetitive office processes, this is the kind of problem I enjoy solving on this channel. If you found this useful, subscribe, explore my PDF and VBA automation videos, and let me know what process you would like to automate next.